What if DJI's biggest lineup shakeup in years is already underway right under our noses? The Pocket 4P just hit the market and it's already turning heads, but that's only the beginning of what DJI has planned. Behind the scenes, multiple products are reportedly moving through testing, certification, and registration systems, and some of these leaks are far more credible than others. In this video, we're breaking down everything DJI could be launching in 2026, ranked from the most likely to the most uncertain. And the drone sitting at the top of this list might surprise you. Right now, the DJI Air 4 looks like the safest bet on this entire list. It's reportedly surfaced inside a Chinese drone registration database, and that's a completely different tier of evidence compared to random supply chain whispers. A registration filing usually means a product is actively being tested ahead of a public rollout, not just floating around as a rumor. As for what's inside, word is DJI redesigned the airframe from the ground up, paired with sharper obstacle avoidance, stronger low-light performance, longer battery life, and beefed-up transmission hardware. None of that is locked in officially, but when a leak comes backed by an actual government filing, it's hard to ignore. Next on the radar is a possible refresh to DJI's FPV lineup, something insiders have been pointing toward for a while now. Skeptical? But here's the catch. There's no leaked imagery, no certification paperwork, and no firmware clues backing this one up yet. Everything circulating right now is expectation rather than evidence. Still, the rumored upgrade path sounds tempting. A larger sensor, improved dynamic range, better low light handling, extended flight time, and smoother stabilization. Tension, it's the kind of upgrade FPV fans have been asking for, but until something concrete leaks, treat this one as a strong hunch rather than a sure thing. Then there's a drone DJI hasn't even named yet, only known right now by a certification code. It's reportedly cleared an actual radio certification process in China, appearing under two separate model variants, with one carrying its own specific certificate number. That confirms something real is moving through the pipeline. But that's where the confirmed part stops. No camera details, no product name, no hinted which series it belongs to have leaked out. Some are speculating this could be the start of an entirely new semi-professional drone category for DJI, but until more details surface, that's purely a theory. Moving away from drones, there's growing chatter about a next-generation Osmo action camera. Right now, though, there's genuinely nothing concrete behind it. No filings, no leaked units, no packaging photos. The rumored improvements, a bigger sensor, sharper HDR, longer battery life, and smarter AI features are really just based on the natural upgrade path DJI tends to follow. On a more confirmed note, the Mic Mini 2S has officially been announced and is already rolling out globally with onboard recording and support for up to 4 transmitters. The catch is DJI hasn't confirmed US availability yet, and interestingly, it briefly appeared in FCC filings before those listings quietly disappeared. So the hardware's real, the US timeline just isn't. So, out of everything DJI's reportedly cooking up, the Air 4 stands out as the one most likely to actually land first. Which one of these are you most excited about? The Air 4, the mystery drone, or something else entirely? Drop your pick in the comments, hit like if this breakdown helped, and subscribe so you don't miss the moment any of these actually go official.